So, hi dear Scorpio, a very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot, and this is a journal of reading for all the Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Venus, Rising. Keep in mind, this is general. It might not resonate with you at the first place. The second thing, the rules can be reversed also. Third thing, this is a reading from 16th till the 22nd of December, and it's valid for every 12 sign that you are dealing with, along with your own sign. If it is not resonating, it's not your story. You can just skip the video. Now, if you want to be a tarot card reader like me, you can start your journey by purchasing my course. The link is in the description box for the same. I have a new website developed, and you can check out the workshop. You can check out the one-on-one healing sessions or consultations. Whatever services you are interested in, you can just purchase that. And if you have any troubles, any queries, you can mail me on tarotanjali@gmail.com. Let's go, okay? You can follow me on Instagram by the name of the Modern Sannyasini. I will give my Insta ID in the description box, and another ID as an actor as well in the description box. You can check out those and you can follow me if you feel like, right? And I have another channel of acting, the Drama Queen Anju, and the Modern Sannyasi. You can check out those channels as well. I will okay, that's it. Your person or your partner's current feelings for you right now at this present moment, Scorpio. We have the High Priestess. Someone is giving you a silent treatment, and or someone is not communicating much with you even if they feel like they should. There's a lack of communication or no communication period going on right now at this present moment between you guys. Let's clarify the High Priestess. We have the Fool card, the Seven of Cups, and the Hierophant. Okay, someone here feels like they should take the leap of faith with the universe in the situation between you and them. At the same time, they're so emotionally confused in the situation because they feel like they're not able to see the clear picture of the future between you and them. Like whether this situation is ever going to convert into something meaningful, and or this situation is going to be a disaster. So they feel like they should keep their energies, emotions, and things to themselves until unless they're 100% sure that something good is going to come out of this situation, of this connection. That is why they feel like they should keep their energies and mouth shut as of now. Although they can't stop thinking about the situation, but they're emotionally very confused. Let's see, what do you feel about this particular person or situation from your side, Scorpio? Temperance. From your side, you feel like remaining patient in the situation is the key. Don't lose your temper. Don't be angry. Don't be impatient. Just just wait and watch and see where things can go. Let's clarify the Temperance. We have the Ten of Cups, the Six of Cups, the Devil. You feel obsessed with the idea of being with somebody that you're stuck on. It's somebody from your past, Scorpio, right? Either you were married to this person, or you were about to get married, or you were planning, right there. This was something very serious between you guys. You still feel obsessed with the idea of being with this person for the rest of your life, but you're patiently waiting for the time when everything is going to be sorted between you guys. For whatever reason, everything is going south right now. Okay, let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them, honey? Justice. Their intention is to bring the balance back in the situation in some way, or doing the right thing in this direction. They just want to do the right thing, whatever it means in the situation, whatever this means. Yeah, let's clarify the Justice. They just want to make the right choice, make the right decision, and do the right thing in this direction. Let's clarify. We have the Nine of Swords, the Ace of Swords, the Page of Swords. This person definitely wants to clear the air with you so that they can make the right choice, make the right decision. And they want to keep themselves at a distance from the situation. So they want to see the situation from a distance so that they can make the right choice in the situation. They don't want to make any kind of life-changing decision in any kind of stressful energies. They want to clear their head, and they want to make the right choice, right decision by being at a distance and seeing things from a different perspective, from a total fair and justiciable, wow, fair and justiciable perspective. My goodness, balanced perspective, you can say, not justiciable. I don't know if justiciable is a term or not. English is a funny language though. Let's see, what do you want from this particular person or situation from your side, Scorpio? Yeah. You want to think about it long and hard enough before making any kind of life changing decisions in this direction. With all of your wisdom and strength and courage and experiences, you just want to make the right choices. Both of you want to make the right choices here. Both of you are stuck on each other. One of you is emotionally confused. One of you is obsessed with the idea of being with the other person, but both want the same thing at the end of the day: the clarity, the understanding, and the knowing that it is going to go somewhere. Let's clarify the hermit as your intentions. We have the lovers, the eight of wands, the two of wands, right? You just want to wait for the time when you guys are going to have heart to heart communication. Everything is going to be crystal clear between you guys, and you guys will be able to make the right choice, make the right decision, right? With all of the wisdom and the experience and the other person, other energies involvement in this situation, you want to test that as well. Basically, testing the waters with each other, and then understanding what you guys should do and what you guys should not do in this situation, being quite logical about it, being quite practical about it instead of being all emotional about it from both the sides. Hmm. Okay, tough decision, a tough choice. Let's see what's coming towards you till the 22nd of December. Honey, what we have for you guys. Seven of Wands. I do see you being in the protection mode, being in the defensive mode, being in this energy of I want my time, I want my space, I want my own energies to settle down. Then I will see. Let's clarify the Seven of Wands. We have the Knight of Swords, the Temperance, and the Queen of Swords. Yeah, I do see one of you being extremely impatient with the other person, and the other person cutting the hell out of the other person's energy here. It's like me being very patient with you, just giving you an example, and you being impatient with me, and I end up blocking you because I am not prepared for this kind of impatience or this kind of let's do it quickly and let's do it fast kind of energy. So that is the kind of dynamic I'm seeing here, where one of you is going to end up blocking the other person energetically because you guys are not ready to come on the same page, even though the goal is same, and goal is same and result is same, but you guys are not able to come on the same page for whatever reason. So I do see this blockage of one person cutting the other person's energies right now at this present moment, and telling them to be patient, directly or indirectly. Let's see the guidance for you guys in the situation, Scorpio. We have the Queen of Swords. Yes, be very, very clear, very, very clear cut in what you really want, what you really don't want out of this particular situation, so that you can deliver accordingly, so that you can manifest accordingly, so that you guys can have a beautiful connection and or a beautiful separation. But it should be very, very crystal clear, okay? The desire, the goal, the situation, the aim, everything should be crystal clear between you guys in order to understand the future direction of the situation, and in order to understand what you guys should do and what you guys should not do in this situation. That's very, very important to understand. Yeah, so thank you so much for tuning in, Scorpio. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. God bless you.